Thanks for watching. Workshop Wednesday. It's time to kind of reinstate that little video segment. I think at least try to do it once a month. Right now I have a really good reason to do it because I'm going to alter this office space a tiny bit. So this is where I do my editing. This is also where I work. And also this is where I have an easy chair. I'm not sure why, this seemed like a good idea when I built my workshop to have like a nice reading space over here. I never sit here. So this chair is going to move to the guest room behind me. You see over there that I have moved some stuff up. So you got my HeyGears resin printer over there. You may have seen that one in a past video. I will make sure that it's linked over here in case you haven't seen it. And also, if you can't find it over there, it's in the video description box. And also all of the stuff that comes with that HeyGears printer. So I got a ton of resin, I got like a curing station, I got a washing station, get a ton of stuff, and I don't want to have that standing in the workshop area of my workshop just because that gets really messy. I want to keep that resin printer looking immaculate. I don't want any dust in the resin, so I just want to have it over here because this is a really neutral, really safe area. It's very clean over here. It is very constant in temperature, and my workshop is, well, basically just my workshop. I do paint over there, and there's occasional sawdust or sanding dust, stuff like that. So it needs to move from there. It needs to be over here. So what I did is I bought 3 IKEA trolleys that I'm going to put over here, hopefully create a nice resin printing workstation for myself. So then I have my desk over here, my office, my computer, and then my resin printing station right next to it. So that should be a really good improvement for my workflow. Was a day well spent. I have my whole printing station ready right now. It is very flexible, so all of these trolleys, they're on wheels, so if I want to wheel them around, then I can do so. So if I want to rearrange the order or just change things around because I feel like it, then I can just go ahead and do that. Let me show you what I got. Over here for now I just have my resins planted. Then these are all the accessories, so stuff that I need to clean, some gloves, a brush, an extra screen put inside of the machine. And this is the printer itself. So if I open it, you will see that the hood doesn't go all the way up. That's also why this is on wheels, so I can just wheel it out and then open it up fully in case I need to. This is the curing station. You can also tell that I needed to move that to the right just a tiny bit in order to open the door fully. So that's good. I have a nice working top over there. Currently my slider is on it, but don't mind that because that will move downstairs again. And then another shelf over here, which is nice. And 2 more shelves over here with my washing station. And then an extra tank for the isopropyl alcohol. So don't mind the mess, but you can tell right now I got my whole computer station over there. And then everything printing wise over on the other side, which is cool. I used these type of trolleys as well on my outside kitchen. That's also why I had one plywood top extra that I could mess around with a tiny bit, just because over here I wanted everything to be a bit plywood except for the bottom shelves. So there's plenty of opportunity to just turn things around and to see what you want to have. And IKEA, of course, it isn't like expensive stuff, so budget friendly and allows you to be very creative and also allows you to have like a nice weekend project like I did over here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I will see you in one of the upcoming workshop Wednesdays. Take care, bye-bye.
Back on.